Today lecture is about the meaning of idea with example. Idea means waham, राय, ख्याल, तसव्वुर, मिसाल या फिकर. And meaning in English. So idea means concept, thought, opinion, theory, intention, plan, goal and think. And some example of the idea. It was a good idea. Second, he changed her ideas on religion. Third, he has an idea for solving the problem. And fourth, I have to admit the idea is growing on me. So please subscribe to our channel for more.